We are delighted to introduce an innovative system for photovoltaic installation. Thanks to our aluminum modular frame system, you can create various parallelepiped shapes of photovoltaic. They can be transformed into vertical totems, horizontal structures, or other monoliths, allowing you to maximize the potential of your photovoltaic plant. The totem solution offers numerous options for where you can install your solar panels, like in a parking lot, on a rooftop, along the side of a road, or within a highway median. The options are limitless and give an extra option different from the usual plant. The totem structure not only maximizes your available space, but also ensures optimal utilization of solar panels, providing you with the most efficient energy solution. Contact our managers for more details and subscribe to our channel. Pro-Lam, the system for your great ideas.